Trading on the go? Here's First Metrosec Go for you. Easily open your account today with this app. You can download the First Metrosec Go app through Play Store or App Store for free. If you already have it on your device, simply open the app and click Sign Up Now. Next, you need to create a user ID, read and agree to the terms, and provide these information. Once you're done, click the link on the email verification sent. Now, let's complete your account application. First, input your account information. Then, provide your user information. Next, accomplish the investor profile form. Almost there! Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Agree. You will then receive your reference number through the app. Don't forget to save this number because you will need it for your initial deposit. Next, upload or take a photo of these requirements. 1 valid ID, 3 signatures on a piece of white paper, proof of address, and proof of bank account. If you're self-employed, there are additional requirements. Now let's fund your account. You can make your initial deposit through bills payment, online fund transfer, over-the-counter deposit, or remittance. The minimum 5,000 pesos or $100 can be used to invest in stocks, funds, and bonds. There is no maintaining balance required. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Simply take a photo of your ID and take a selfie. You're all set. An email confirmation will be sent to you in 2 to 3 business days. Happy trading! With First Metrosec, it's your future first. Trading on the go? Here's First Metrosec Go for you. Easily open your account today with this app. You can download the First Metrosec Go app through Play Store or App Store for free. If you already have it on your device, Simply open the app and click Sign Up Now. Next, you need to create a user ID, read and agree to the terms, and provide these information. Once you're done, click the link on the email verification sent. Now, let's complete your account application. First, input your account information. Then, provide your user information. Next, accomplish the investor profile form. Almost there! Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Agree. You will then receive your reference number through the app. Don't forget to save this number because you will need it for your initial deposit. Next, upload or take a photo of these requirements. 1 valid ID, 3 signatures on a piece of white paper, proof of address, and proof of bank account. If you're self-employed, there are additional requirements. Now let's fund your account. You can make your initial deposit through bills payment, online fund transfer, over-the-counter deposit, or remittance. The minimum 5,000 pesos or $100 can be used to invest in stocks, funds, and bonds. There is no maintaining balance required. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Simply take a photo of your ID and take a selfie. You're all set. An email confirmation will be sent to you in 2 to 3 business days. Happy trading! With First MetroSec, it's your future first.
All right, I think everything is all good, no? So good evening, everyone. Happy Wednesday to all of you. So again, thank you so much for joining us this evening. Welcome to the Invested Learning Journey by First Metro Sec. But for this time, this webinar is actually intended for the newly opened First Metro Sec accounts. So I'm seeing our attendees, no, we have 27 attendees. So I think no kaka-open niyo lang din talaga ng account and you want guidance from us like how you can place your first investment. So before anything else, let me just introduce myself. I'm Joanna Blanca Ramos. I am the Investor Education Associate of First Metro Sec, and I am very happy to be your host this evening. And also joining us is Miss Hazel Sabile from our digital channels and marketing team, who will be assisting us with the technical side all throughout the session. But before we dive in, I just want to make sure that we are connected. So can you please type in sa ating chat box if you can both see my presentation and at the same time hear me clearly. Ayan, so okay. I have a response from Miss Mariano. So thank you so much for your participation. So again, to our regular attendees, thank you for continuously joining us no, sa mga session. If this is your first time, again, welcome. We are very glad to have you this evening. So quick introduction lang, sino si First Metro Sec? First Metro Sec is the licensed stock brokerage arm of the Metro Bank Group, and we are here for one simple goal. That is to help you grow your money and achieve your financial goals. So we are committed to promoting financial literacy and of course providing accessible investment opportunities for everyone. And also before I proceed, quick disclaimer lang that this webinar is for educational purposes only. Any information shared today should be considered alongside your own investment goals and risk profile. So with that, let's get into the reason why you joined this evening's webinar. So if you've recently opened your first Metrosec account but not quite sure yet what to do next, you're actually in the right place. Kasi nga, this session is designed to help you move from I just opened an account to I'm ready to start investing. So in this evening, we will be covering the following topics. And of course, by the end of this session, no, we hope you will be able to first navigate the first Metrosec platform with confidence. Second is to understand the key tools and features available to you. And of course, most importantly, how to place your first investment step by step. Okay. So for the first part, actually, as an investor, having the right tools to manage your investment and at the same time stay in control no, is very essential. So that's where First Metro Sec comes in because we have a versatile multi-platform solution designed for you to support you at every stage of your investment journey. So as you start building your portfolio, whether sa stocks, sa funds, or sa bonds, you can conveniently manage everything in one place. So with First MetroSec, you can actually access your profile using three platforms. So the first one is First MetroSec Go. Si First MetroSec Go, these are perfect no, for investors on the go, meaning you allow yourself to trade anytime and anywhere as long as you have the internet connection and you have the smartphone. Second is First MetroSec My. So this is a user-friendly web platform ideal for beginners na ang gusto lang is simple and intuitive experience. And then lastly, we have the First MetroSec Pro. This is our advanced platform that is designed for active traders who need more powerful tools. So kayo bilang bago pa lang and kaka-open pa lang ng account, we actually recommend using Go and My platform for of course smoother experience. But nevertheless, no, kung anong level pa yung investing journey mo, there is always a platform that is right for you. So in this evening, I'm gonna start no, with our first platform, that is the First MetroSec Go. So again, this is your trade on the go tool. It is designed for convenience and flexibility. So with just the use of your smartphone, you can actually access real-time market updates and execute trades anytime and anywhere. So before we dive in, I just want to make sure no, that this session is also interactive and hands-on. So if you have an account with us and you open an account via the app, of course, meron na kayong application, I encourage you to navigate the app with me, no? Kasi nga I'll be sharing some steps and also exploring the platform. For those naman na may account na pero wala pang application kasi nga you open via the website, so maybe your account is corporate, joint, or ITF, No worries, it's easy for you to download the app. Just scan the QR code, no? And then you will be redirected sa aming Linktree profile where you can easily download the First Metrosec Go app on your device. So pwede siya sa cellphone and at the same time sa tab. Okay? So once you have the platform already and then you've already logged in, so again, just input your username and your password. Once you redirected sa ating default na dashboard, which is the Market tab. So ito yung first dashboard. This is where you get to stay updated with the latest market trends. You get to see here kung sino yung mga top movers, active gainers natin sa market, and at the same time, provide real-time insights, both to guide your investment decisions. So under the market tab, isa-isahin natin yung mga sub-tabs. So the first one is we have the index and the sub-indices. And then we also have the local and foreign trends, also the top gainers and the top losers, the most active and the top traded stocks, and of course, the news and First Metrosec insight. So again, these tools, no, it gives you a quick, complete snapshot of what's happening sa market, so you can make more informed and confident investment decisions. So I'm gonna show you how to navigate the app, lalo na if you have the application with you, no? Again, I want you to do a side-by-side platform navigation with me. So if you want to change dun sa different tabs, all you have to do is to click the drop-down button. So as you can see, you have the index. This side is yung drop-down button. If you do that, you have here access no, dun sa mga different subtypes or subtabs. You can also swipe left and right naman no, for easier navigation. So again, sample lang of the information or the tabs you see here, the local and foreign trends. This is where you get to see the market activity between our local and foreign trades no, or transaction. From here, you will see if yung ating local, are they net foreign, net buyers or net sellers. For the foreign naman, are they same? Are they net buyers or net sellers? From here, you will see mas madami bang inflows yung local or mas madami yung foreign. Next naman is yung top gainers and worst losers. So again, you will see the movement ng stocks here. Actually, if you access this one during the market is open, live yung updates dito. If ever naman, you just scroll down no, under the top gainers and worst losers, you just scroll down until number 10, and you will see below number 10, there is a portion there where you can actually build a watch list based on this top gainers or worst losers. So if ever you think no, that okay to monitor the transactions or the movements of this stock, you can easily build a watch list from this dashboard. So again, I hope it helped, no? Lalo na yung quick na dashboard tool. Second is the stock tab. So again, let's move to the next tab. If you are doing the live navigation with me, so under stock tab, this is where you get in-depth na stock-specific information right at your fingertips. This is where you can access features such as profile. So sa profile, you can see actually the overview of the company and its business. Also, you have access to research and news. So this is where you read no, yung mga relevant insights and updates of those companies. You also have here charts. Basically, ito lang yung price movements and trends of those stocks over time if you are more of the technical side, no? Next is we have the quick quote and the bid and ask. Again, it gives you the real-time pricing ng ating stocks and also the market depth. Next is we have the time and sales, buyers and sellers, and the volume review. So from here, you can actually see the actual trading activity and at the same time yung market sentiment. Again, these tools are designed to help you analyze a stock more effectively before making any investment decisions. Now, under sa stock tab pa din is we have the research tab. And of course, I want to highlight this one, no? Because this is where you get free access sa mga expert insights that can guide you with your investment decisions. So just a sample of those reports, no? So we have company reports. This is where you get in-depth analysis of specific stocks. Next is we have the trader's playbook. This gives you a more actionable insights and trading ideas of the market. And of course, we have the market reports and other data, which gives you a summary of the market performance and trends. So by the way, if you click any of this report, it is in PDF form, so you can just easily download those reports, and then pwede na lang siya balikan from time to time. And of course, again, these reports are prepared by our research team to help you better understand yung mga opportunities and risks sa market. And also, with our research reports, you are not just investing based on guesswork, you are investing based on data, insights, and expert analysis to help you make smarter decisions. So again, that is the research tab. Next naman is where you get to execute your trades. That is under the trade tab. So again, ito yung part na bibili ka na ng stock, magbebenta ka na ng stock. This is where you input yung stock code, the price, and the quantity. This is also the part of the platform where you get to monitor your orders such as open orders, match orders, or canceled orders. And also, you can check your buying power and available funds through the trade tab. So again, a quick step-by-step guide lang on how to do the buying and selling through the First Metrosec Go app. Kasi nga, di ba, the session is about how to place your first investment. So again, under you just have to choose if you want to buy or sell a stock. So for this example, we are going to buy a specific stock. So if you click buy, you will be redirected to the new order tab. And from here, you get to see yung mga different options that we need to fill in. First is the type. So meaning this is the type of order. The most common actually is limit. If you want to, kumbaga yung order ninyo, gusto ninyo ma-fill in agad, so that is limit order. Next is we have the market. So under market, we have two. We have the normal and the odd lot. Yung normal actually is based ito siya sa board lot. So if you are trading or you want to buy and sell a stock based on the normal market, meaning under the board lot, you just click this one. If butal naman yung shares na gusto ninyong bilhin, you just have to click odd lot. Just a reminder, yung odd lot is only available pag open yung market. Next is you need to input the stock that you want to trade. So for this example is we have Metrobank. If hindi naman kayo familiar sa code, actually you can go back naman sa stock tab. Pero for the ticker, usually it's MBT or it's MBT for Metrobank. After that, you input the quantity. Again, if you are not familiar sa board lot, all you have to do is to click the drop-down button. So for this example, Metrobank is trading in increments of 100. So kaya siya normal market. Next is you have to input the price. Again, if you are not familiar or you weren't able to check kung ano yung current na buy and sell price, you have to click lang the drop-down button. Next is the expiry. For this, actually, tatlo siya, So we have the day, meaning yan is you want your order to be executed within the day. Next is we have the good till week. Yung good till week natin is if ever meron kayong hinihintay na price and feeling ninyo that within the week, possible siya ma-close or ma-match. So you have to choose good till week. Next is good till month, meaning 1 month yung validity ng inyong order. Again, usually for this order type or expiry time frame, meron kayong hinihintay na specific price. Or if ever you are doing the technicals yourself, meron kayong target, exit, and entry price. And at the same time, you've reached our Traders Playbook na report kasi we also recommend when to buy a specific stock and when to exit. So if ever you're able to identify the expiry, the next step is to check the value. So as you can see here, indicated na yung value. All you have to do is to hover or click siguro the value para makita ninyo yung charges breakdown. So under the charges breakdown, you will see the commissions and then the other fees. So meaning, ito yung total value ng transaction ninyo. And then below that, you will see the preview, the button. I-click nyo lang ang preview button. Again, you will be redirected of the total transaction or the breakdown of your trade. And then if you are okay with that, all you have to do is to input your First Metrosec account password. And then after that, you just confirm again, and that order is actually sent to the exchange. Now, if you want naman to review the order, all you have to do is to go to the View Orders tab. Again, you can check yung open orders, yung mga match orders, canceled, and the rejected orders. So at least you have an idea no what is happening sa inyong trades no through the trade tab. And lastly, you have access also sa inyong buying power or your cash. So what's the difference ba? Yung cash is your overall na funds available no sa platform. And then yung buying power ninyo is actually the fund that is only allocated for buying. Kasi if ever you subscribe to bonds, a portion of your cash will be earmarked. So meaning maless na siya sa inyong cash, kaya maless na din yung buying power. So basically, if you just want to trade, no, you have to check na lang yung available buying power. So again, with the trade tab, just a few taps away, you can actually do the execution, the buying and selling of your preferred investments. Now, on the next tab is the Portfolio tab. So under Portfolio tab, this is where you keep track of your investments anytime and anywhere. So this is where you view your total portfolio, its value and its performance. Also, monitor your holdings across stocks, funds, and cash. And gain real time and see a breakdown of your individual investments. So it gives you a clear and complete picture of how your investments are performing all in one place. So isa-isahin natin. First is we have the consolidated tab. So it's a mix na of your stocks, funds, and cash. You can also see here, no, check the different time frames, no, if you want to check and compare the performance of your investments. Below naman, you will see how much is allocated sa inyong portfolio sa stocks, also sa funds, and how much yung remaining ninyo na cash. Next is if you want to check the allocation of your stock, you just go to stock portfolio. So from here, you will see yung inyong current profit and loss, and also your day profit and loss. And also, a quick glance, no, or a list of your current holdings sa stocks. And also next, we have funds. So from here, you can see all of the funds invested or subscribed. And also, you get to see yung current ninyo na available shares and then their market value. Again, under the portfolio tab, you can actually stay informed and at the same time stay in control on how you can make your smart investment decisions and at the same time monitor the performance of your portfolio. And in addition to the features of our first Metrosec Go app, let's go back sa ating market tab. This is where you manage your account directly from the application. So on the left side, you can see here the first Metrosec logo. If you click that one, you will be redirected sa stocks na tab, and soon you will be able to have access to your funds and your accounts. And also, you get to see the contact information of First Metrosec, yung contact number ng Makati office, ng Visayas, and ng Mindanao. And also, if you want to read yung terms and conditions and the data privacy policy, easily accessible siya sa application. Next naman is we have yung profile icon, which allows you to view your user information, also to manage your session and login details. So again, these features give you a quick and easy access to your account settings all within the application. And lastly, sa ating first Metrosec Go app, we have here the watch list tab. So as you can see, it's beside the portfolio tab. So your watch list tab actually lets you track your favorite stocks in one place. So just like my example kanina, no, under the market tab, the top traders, no, and the worst losers, you can actually build a watch list from there. But specifically dito sa watch list tab, this is where you take control of everything. So this is where you can create and manage your watch list. You can also monitor yung mga selected stocks ninyo and check their price movements. You can view their metrics like yung dividend yields, the performance, and the 52-week high and low, just like dito sa example. It also allows you to easily spot opportunities no, without searching yung mga stock individually. So again, to check or maximize our watch list tab, first is you can see here the PSEI. So if you click the drop-down button, you actually have the option no, to filter which watch list you want to check. So by default, PSEI siya, all of the top 30 stock listed sa PSEI. You can also check your watch list, no? Up to 5 watch lists actually, ang pwede ninyong i-create, no? So from there, you can view the different information like 52-week high and low, the dividend yield, and at the same time, yung kanilang volume review. Now, aside sa watch list, you also have access sa ticker. So again, if you access the platform or the application during the market hours, no, you will see the ticker moving. So same siya actually with the website. So again, with both the watch list and the ticker tab, you stay one step ahead, no? You are actually ready to act when the right opportunity comes. So that's how to navigate the first MetroSec Go Up. So I hope it helped you, no, lalo na if you prefer accessing the market, your portfolio just by using your smartphone or your tablet. Next naman is we will be doing a live navigation of the first MetroSec My Platform. So again, if may account na kayo, just open the application, input your username and your password. So let me just change and go to the website para at least we can do the live navigation. So if ever, ayan, so let's just wait. Okay. Ayan, so the first thing that will beat you is yung announcement tab. So you can read on the announcement by clicking next or you can just exit. Pero just a reminder, no, it is important to read the announcement from time to time, lalo na if may tender offer. If you want to avail of IPO, if your account is already due for updating and yung may other webinars pa. Okay? So this is the first MetroSec Go Up. And from here, let's just go through quickly sa ating mga tabs, no, and how they all connect to your investment journey. So by default, you will be redirected to the Home tab. So this is your dashboard. You will see a snapshot of the market, your portfolio, the announcements, and the research all in one place. So isa-isahin natin siya, no? Dito sa left side, you will see the market. So you will see ano yung closing price ni PSEI. Again, the local and foreign participation. You will see the performance of the indices. And if you click dito sa baba, you have access to the top gainers, worst losers, and most active stocks traded for the day. Next naman is the watch list. So again, you can create up to 5 watch lists with up to 30 stocks per watch list. Now, depende na sa preference ninyo actually. If you are tracking the REITs ba, so you can create it for watch list number 1. If you are tracking the PSEI stock, pwede din watch list number 2. So actually, depende talaga sa inyo. So you have here again, quick glance of your portfolio. Sa baba yung announcements, quick link ng ating research reports, and some news from the PSE. Dito naman sa right side, we have the quick trade and the portfolio. So for this navigation, no, I'm just using the test account, kaya walang nakalagay na portfolio. Pero if you check your account now, basically it will just show you your holdings sa stocks, sa funds, and sa bonds and cash as well. Next is we have the quotes tab. So sa quotes tab, this is actually where you get to explore the market. This is where you check yung stock prices, the bid and ask details, and at the same time, the market depth. So again, this is where you get to find opportunities on where to invest. Next is we have the research tab. So under the research tab, this is where actually if may nahanap na kayo na stock and then you want to validate the information, you can actually do it here sa research tab. So you get to access the company fundamentals, the valuations, the technicals, and the research reports. So this helps you decide what to invest. First is yung company tab. So basically, it will just show you or let you know, what is about the company, a summary, if you want to check the valuation, the financials, if ever the stock gives out dividends. So this is where you get to check the dividend history. So you will know here the X date, the record date, and the date payable. You also have here the disclosure. Next is we have the first MetroSec research report universe. So from here, no, you get to see all of the research available and also from our research team. So isa-isahin lang natin no, some of the research reports. So we have here the weekly report. So the weekly report is actually published every Monday before the market opens. So this report gives you a big picture of the market because it covers yung mga market performance, economic data, stock recommendation, technical analysis, and the earnings report. So let me just try no if ma-share yung screen for the weekly report. Okay, so I hope you can see the weekly report. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So again, it gives you an idea of the market performance, economic data, and the stock recommendation. So we have here picks for the week. So you can actually read this one, no, first thing, Monday or first trading day of the week para at least you have an idea of what stocks to invest or add sa inyong portfolio. Next is we have the daily report. Now, yung ating daily report, it is being published from Tuesday to Friday before the market opens. This gives you a quick daily snapshot of what's happening sa market before it opened. So it gives you the equities and summary outlook. It gives you also global and local news no, on the next pages. I think it's very relevant now because of what's happening sa market. Also on the next page, you get to see yung mga stock calls and recommendations, as well as the corporate and economic calendar. If you are also following yung mga earnings summary ng mga companies, it is also available sa daily report. So again, this is the daily report. You can read this one and it is very useful before the market opens. Next is the company report. So the company report is actually it gives you a deep dive into a specific company's performance, also the outlook and the investment potential because it covers yung earnings review, growth drivers, and also the outlook and expansion plans if ever. And also meron din siyang investment recommendation like whether it is a buy, or hold, or sell. So just like for this one, our call for Manila Electric or MER no, is to buy. So you can see here the target price and also the last traded price. You can see here the highlight, meaning ito yung kumbaga the movement of the stock, no, what drives the kumbaga movement of the specific stock. Okay, next is we have the technical analysis. So basically, ang technical analysis is perfect for those monitoring the market based on charts. Kasi this report helps you spot market trends using technical indicators. So it covers yung mga technical events like the bullish and bearish signals. You also have here or can spot here yung mga trading opportunities. Basically, it is perfect for people or investors who love charts and timing their trades. Next is we have the consensus corner. So I hope no the internet connection is okay on your end. Ayan. So this is the consensus corner. This is the report no where you get to check the investment objectives or opportunities based on analyst ratings and also yung mga target price ng mga PSE listed stocks. So from here, you will find yung consensus target price, the consensus rating like if it's a buy or strong buy or sell. You also have here the dividend yields and also the valuations. And also, this report is being categorized based on sector. So on the first page, you will see here yung mga PSEI stocks. On the next pages, you will see here yung mga dividend yield stocks under PSE. And then if ever, if you move to the next pages, meron din siyang based on property, mining and oil, and also holding firms. So actually, this report is very useful no, if you want your investment to be based on the analyst ratings kasi iba-iba yung mga preferences natin. Next naman is we have the stock screen report. So this is the stock screen report. This is perfect for those investors who identify investment opportunities by categorizing stocks into 3 key themes. So we have here the first one, riding the flows. Riding the flows, these are stocks that gives you high liquidity with strong foreign investor interest. And of course, it gives you solid earnings growth. Next naman is we have the unloved stocks. So these are growth stocks that are undervalued pero meron silang strong potential. Next is we have the yield seeker. So these are stocks with high dividend yields and gives you steady dividend growth. So basically, yung ating stock screen report, it is a great tool that helps you stop or spot stocks that match your strategy. So whether you are after the growth, the value, or dividends, you can actually check the stock screen report. And then lastly, of the reports available sa platform is we have the Traders Playbook report. So the Traders Playbook report is a report by First Metro Securities that provides analysis and recommendations on Philippine stocks because it covers first stock overview, meaning it is a deep dive into the company's business, performance, and future prospects. Next is we have the technical analysis on the next page. So meaning it gives you an idea or an insight sa price trend, sa key support levels, and also the resistance levels, and also momentum indicators. And then also, it gives you the trading plan or the trading strategy, meaning it is a recommendation when to buy, sell, or take profit of the stock. So again, the Traders Playbook report is very useful, and it is a great tool for traders who are looking for timely market opportunities. So again, everyone, this is the First Metrosec Research Report. So I hope you get to maximize all of these reports kasi first, it's for free, since you have an account with First Metrosec, so you can actually read on these reports from time to time. Next naman, after the research, is we have the charts. So under charts, if you love charts, this is where you get to plot your trades. This is where you get to analyze the price movements. This is where you get to study trends and identify entry and exit points. So the chart tab actually helps you decide when to invest. And then next is the trade tab. This is where you get to execute your trades. Again, just like dun sa First Metrosec Go Up, this is where you get to input the stock, the volume, the price, and the expiry. So again, a sample of how you set or input your trades. First is you input the stock code. So just like dun sa example natin kanina, that's Metrobank. So after you input the stock, you get to see the available bid and ask volume and price. So from here, you just input the volume. Again, if you are not familiar sa Boardlat, you just click the drop-down button. So from here, 100 shares of Metrobank yung gusto ninyong bilhin. For the price, if ever you want to buy a stock, you just look at the ask side. If ever you want to sell the stock, you just look at the bid side. So again, the best price for Metrobank is 67.80. So all you have to do is to either input 67.80 dito sa price or you click the ask volume para at least automatic na siya. So again, for the expiry, tatlo siya, good till day, good till week, or good till month. Depende if ever first you want to execute the order right away or if ever you are willing on a specific target price, or if you're waiting for an entry or exit point. Next is the market, which is either normal or odd lot. Again, ang odd lot is only available if the market is open. Next is the value. So if you hover your mouse dito sa figure or sa value, you will see the charges breakdown from the gross, the commission, and the net amount. If ever you are okay with the transaction, you just click buy and input your password. So again, if ever for this example, if na-input na yung password ninyo, you click confirm and your order is actually forwarded na sa exchange. To view your orders, so just change tab dito sa view orders. If you have some conditional orders, you also access this tab. If you want to check your history from your orders, you get to check it here under orders tab. You have the option to check the last 45 days of your transactions. And also, we have the ledger tab. Actually, the ledger tab lets you check the ins and outs of your account, meaning if you fund your First Metrosec account, if ever merong pumasok na dividends sa account ninyo, so this is where you actually get to check it under the ledger tab. Yung out naman, ito usually yung mga if ever meron kayong biniling shares or nag-withdraw kayo ng fund. So again, that is the trade tab. Next is yung ating portfolio tab. So sa portfolio tab, you have a consolidated view of your holdings from stocks, funds, and bonds. So meron din kayong option, kasi by default, you will see the ledger type or ledger view. Next is we have naman a combination of the donut and the ledger. If you are into charting naman, so you actually have here a comparison, if you want to check lang or compare the performance of your portfolio in the last month, 3 months or 6 months, pwede siya. Again, I am using a demo account kaya wala kayong makikita na information. So again, under portfolio tab, you get to see the performance of your holdings, whether stocks, funds, or bonds. And also, additional na lang din is yung ating news tab. So again, everyone, as you can see, this is how you utilize the platform. This is where you find opportunities, you analyze, you execute, and at the same time, monitor your trades. So it gives you a complete investing experience all in one platform. Also, if you observe, medyo mabilis lang yung checking natin or navigation natin sa platform. Kasi if we really do the step-by-step navigation, it would take around 1 hour. Pero meron naman kami mga recorded videos for each of the platform navigations, like sa Go Up and sa First Metrosec My. All you have to do is to visit our official YouTube channel, and from there you search platform navigation. So that ends our navigation sa First Metrosec My platform. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos, kasi nga we get to have more steps on how you can actually place your investments. So let me just go back sa ating presentation sa platform. Ayan. So I hope you can see my screen already. Okay. So the next question actually is where to invest. So for the next part, I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna explain two available funds or two available investments sa First Metrosec. Kasi nga yung first two sections natin focus more on stock trading. So being a multi-asset platform, First Metrosec actually offers more than just stocks. Did you know that you can conveniently invest in bonds and subscribe to funds through First Metrosec? So meaning it gives you more options to diversify and match your investments with your financial goals. So let me just show you how you can explore and invest in bonds and funds using the platform. All right. So for the first one, you can actually invest in both government and corporate bonds. Again, for government bonds, these are issued by the Philippine government and are generally considered low risk, making them ideal to those conservative investors. Yung mga corporate bonds naman natin, these are issued by companies and may offer higher returns depende sa terms ng issuer. So again, both options provide you fixed income through regular interest payments and at the same time, making them a good choice if you are looking for a more stable and predictable returns. So a common example of our bonds, like the government bond, is the retail treasury bond. Retail treasury bond, it actually offers fixed income or fixed interest income. It gives you relatively low minimum investment, and of course, it is backed by the government. So during primary offerings, these bonds are typically available through the Bureau of the Treasury website. So this is where the investors can actually directly. But with First MetroSec, you can actually invest in retail treasury bonds. How do you do it ba? During the offer period, you can order online by filling out the retail treasury bonds ordering form. So you just have to ensure, no, if you want to link it sa inyong First MetroSec account, just have to simply enter your details and make sure na ang inyong settlement bank is First MetroSec. And after that, after placing your order, the next step is actually to pay through First MetroSec. All you have to do is to simply log in once redirected, and then you review the details and then accept the required terms and conditions, and then you click your order. So once completed, you will just receive a notice of successful payment or what we call NOSP sa inyong registered email. It will serve as your confirmation of your subscription. So that is for the retail treasury bond. Now, moving forward, dun naman sa mga corporate bonds. Kasi nga, you can also add corporate bonds sa inyong portfolio. Again, these are issued by companies and are typically offering higher interest rates compared to government bonds. Again, depende sa issuer and its terms. So, in this corporate bond email, actually, you get to receive this if you subscribe to First Metro Securities bond email alert. And at the same time, if your investment profile kumaga, matches the one that offers yung mga bonds natin. So if you receive this bond alert, what you will see is the issuer. So for this example, you have here San Miguel Global Power Corporation. You will see the minimum investment amount, that is 50,000. You will see the tenor, no? So for this bond series, it's for 5 years. You will also see its indicative interest rates. Now, to participate to this offer, you just have to simply submit an intent form and follow the subscription process during the offering period. Now, yung ating intent form is actually available din siya doon sa bond alert email. So as you can see here, you have submit intent form buttons and the link to prospectus. Okay. So aside from the primary offering, you can actually invest in bonds through the secondary market. Kasi nga yung mga bond offers natin, meron silang offer period or issuance period. So meaning, you can be existing government or corporate bonds even outside the issuance period. So to place an order, you just have to simply submit a request to First MetroSec or reach out to our team, no, for assistance by sending an email to fixedincome@firstmetrosecurities.com.ph. So again, this option, it gives you more flexibility as you are not limited to scheduled bond offerings. Now, for the secondary market, available din ang government securities. So in this example, you actually see here a list showing yung mga available bonds. So you can see the coupon rate or interest, no? The maturity date, the bid and offer rates, and at the same time, the number of remaining years. Again, this allows you to compare yung mga different bonds and choose the bond that actually fits your investment horizon and at the same time, yung return expectations ninyo. Next is we also have the secondary market for corporate bonds. Pero this one are typically available upon request lang. So just like yung sa government securities natin, you can view actually the issuer, the coupon rate, the maturity, and the yield or pricing. And since nga yung availability may vary, no, you can actually coordinate with First MetroSec or yun nga, send an email to fixedincome@firstmetrosecurity or firstmetrosec.com.ph to check yung mga current offerings dun sa secondary corporate bonds. And also, if you want to place your order, you can actually directly send it sa fixedincome@firstmetrosec.com.ph. Now, in addition to our offerings is we have the treasury bills or T-bills. So these are short-term government securities, typically with maturities of less than a year, no? So instead of earning coupons, they are bought at a discount and mature at face value. So in terms naman of the fees, if you avail of treasury bills during the primary market, wala siyang fees. If ever naman during the secondary market or sa secondary market, here upfront broker fees and the PDEX mapping fee. So this makes T-bills a cost-efficient option, especially if you are looking for an investment that is short-term, low risk, and of course gives you liquidity. Now, taking a closer look at our T-bills, as mentioned kanina, these are short-term government securities that you buy at a discount. Then you receive the full face value at maturity. So in terms naman of the minimum investment, T-bills are actually, you can start with 10,000 pesos in increments of 1,000. Also, for RTBs, it's 5,000 pesos. And for corporate bonds, it's 50,000 pesos. For the fees, actually, very minimum lang siya, or minimal. So the primary, again, wala siyang fees. For the secondary, you have here the broker's fee and the PDEX mining fee. So based on this example, yung total settlement account or yung invested na amount is only 962,000. At maturity, you will receive a total of 1 million pesos. So meaning you invest at a discounted price, and at maturity, you receive the full amount. Your earning is from the difference. So meaning you have a total interest earnings of 37,000. So for this, actually the days to maturity available din siya. So T-bills, yun nga, less than a year lang siya. So it's 355 days. Now, the best part actually is all of those products, you can conveniently view sa inyong First Metro Securities portfolio account. So if ever you can see your bond positions, the interest rates, the maturity dates, and overall performance of your bond investments. It's easy for you to track and manage your investments without switching to different accounts or brokers. Now, next is we will talk about investing through funds. See, First Metro Securities, we have a platform called FundSmart. Your FundSmart is actually your one-stop shop for investment funds, meaning you get access to over 130 funds from our leading providers. So we have here Atram, BPI Wealth, Manulife Investment, Phil Equity, Sun Life, and ATR Family. So this makes you, kumbaga, it's easy for you to diversify your investment without needing to open multiple accounts. So if ever you have access to your platform or to your account, you just head over to funds. So that is located at the upper right of your platform. It is under stocks. So you just have to click funds and you will be redirected sa FundSmart na dashboard. So from here, based on this example, I want you to maximize your FundSmart dashboard. So you just click FundSmart, and then at the top, you can actually filter funds based on fund type. So again, fund type. So we have here mutual fund and UITF. You also have here asset type. So meaning our money market, the bond, and then the balance and the equity funds. Also the currencies, you can actually invest in dollar-denominated funds and also peso-denominated funds. Also, you can check on filter based on the provider. Again, the providers I mentioned, we have here Manulife, Sun Life, Atram, BPI Wealth, and others. Also, you can explore tabs like the description. So basically, yung description, ito lang yung mga fund overview. For the performance, you get to track the returns of the fund on a year-to-date basis in the last 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. So fee structure, you get to understand the cost. You will see here the minimum investment, which is majority 1,000 pesos, and also yung redemption settlement, and also yung mga minimum holding period. So again, by using these filters, you can easily find funds that match your strategy, making your investment decisions more efficient and targeted. Now, of all the informations I shared, you get access to it actually no, even after the webinar. All you have to do is to visit our help center at help.firstmetrosec.com.ph, and from there, you can check no, the holdings dun sa stocks, sa funds, and sa bonds. So I hope no, you get to maximize our help center because it will give you a clearer view pa or a deeper understanding of these different investment types. So that wraps our discussion for today, no? I hope it helped you better understand how you navigate the platform and at the same time where you can start investing. So again, a note lang kahit na you start small, as long as you stay consistent and keep learning along the way. So it will be really helpful for you and it will really help you achieve your financial freedom. Pero we are not hindi pa tayo tapos, no? We still have our Q&A, but before that, let me quickly no, with you first. So let's begin with our feedback form. Again, this is the feedback form that you can actually scan. It will take you a minute lang no, to share your feedback. Actually, Ms. Hazel will also be sharing a quick link sa ating chat box no, for your convenience. Again, your insights will help us improve our sessions moving forward and of course, better serve your needs. Next naman is, of course, we still have one remaining webinar session tomorrow. So if ever you haven't registered, all you have to do is to visit bit.ly/invested March 2026. So for tomorrow's topic, it's about plan your retirement income. All right, and also a quick note lang, First Metrosec is a regulated institution under SEC, PSE, and BSP. So you can be confident that everything we discuss actually operates within a secure and trusted framework. So our goal is for you no, to always feel informed, protected, and supported. So again, if you need assistance, feel free to reach us through our customer service email. You can call our hotline and you can visit our 24/7 help center. And also, we'd love to stay connected with you. If you are interested for a free financial literacy session, just simply scan the QR code. If you want to receive updates sa mga webinars and market insights, you just have to follow our official social media pages. Now, this is where we get to our Q&A. So if you remember no, during the registration, we receive advanced questions. So I will go with those questions first. Actually, may mga tanong na din na na-answer during my presentation. If ever naman may mga question kayo na hindi ko masagot, feel free to email at marketeducation@firstmetrosec.com.ph or send us a message directly sa aming Facebook community page. So the first question I actually received is how to avail of ITO. Now, sa inyong platform, if you check, no, under the account tab, that is under the funds, no, so kumbaga stocks, funds, and account, you head over to corporate actions. Doon sa corporate actions, this is where you get to subscribe sa mga IPO, and then avail of tender offer if meron. So for this one, we have the ongoing tender offer for Keppel. And then we also have yung mga stock rights and also follow-on offerings. You also get to maximize yung ating account tab. Nandito na yung deposit options, withdrawals, the statement of accounts that is under reports. So the next question I received actually is where to check the ex-dividend date of those stocks na nagbibigay ng dividends. So again, under research tab, and then go to company, and then you input the stock no, that you want to check. Under the dividend history, this is where you get the data of the ex-dividend date, the record date, and the date payable. Good thing also is pwede niyo ma-extract ang file. So just click this Excel icon. So again, aside from checking dun sa PSE Edge na website, you can conveniently check these dates no, sa inyong account through the First Metrosec platform. And then lastly, the last question or one of the questions I received no, is how do I transfer my dividends to my Metrobank account? Actually, hindi siya automatic. Yung mga dividends ninyo, it will be credited to your First Metrosec account. So all you have to do is, if gusto niyo lang makredit sa Metrobank account ninyo, is you have to send a manual withdrawal request. So again, it is under the account tab. You go to withdrawals, and then you go to withdrawal request. So just a reminder, meron kaming cut-off na 10 a.m. No? So if you send your withdrawal request before 10 a.m., it will be processed within the day. For Metrobank, it will be credited on or before 5 p.m. same day. For other banks, because of the clearing, minsan naabot siya ng 1, 2, 3 trading days. If ever naman nalagpas kayo dun sa cut-off, so meron lang siyang additional day or additional trading day, no, for the processing. So I think, let me just check lang if ever yung sa ating mga live questions, no, it's almost or it's past 7 p.m. no. So okay, I have a question here. Is the 1K for the website platform? I saw somewhere that it is 5K na kasi. Actually, yung 5,000 pesos before yan. So, binabaan namin to 1,000 pesos kasi nga we want more people, no, or more Filipinos to invest for as low as 1,000 pesos. We also want yung mga students to start investing, no, kahit na they are still focused on their studying, para at least they have more time pa or more years to maximize their investment. So I hope I answered that question. And also another question here, I think this would be the last question for this evening. Again, if ever meron tayong mga questions na hindi masagot, feel free to email customer service and at the same time yung market education at firstmetrosec.com.ph. So how to fund FMS via Metrobank savings account? So there are actually two ways, no? Via over-the-counter or through bills payment. If meron naman kayong access sa online banking ninyo, you can conveniently fund your First Metrosec account. So go lang sa bills payment and then choose First Metrosec as the biller. So after that is you get to provide or you must provide your First Metrosec account code and then the amount that you want to fund. So you just finish the transaction or confirm the transaction. Meron din tayong funding cut-off na 3 p.m. So if ever you fund no before 3 p.m., it can be credited within the day. If ever lagpas na siya ng 3 p.m., it will be processed the next day. Okay? So I hope I was able to answer your questions and at the same time help you navigate the platform, no? So before we end, actually, let me flash again our QR code for the feedback form. So again, kindly scan the QR code to share your feedback. It will only take a minute and we'd really appreciate your thoughts and your suggestions. Also, Ms. Hazel will drop the link sa ating chat box for your convenience. So again, to our remaining attendees, no, so we are 32 in the room. So I hope, no, you get a deeper understanding of the platform. I also help you how to maximize and utilize your investments. And also we hope to see you on our next sessions. So again, everyone, it's already 7:03. Thank you and apologize also for keeping you this long, no? So with that, everyone, thank you so much for joining this session and for staying until the end. Again, this is Invested with First Metrosec. So we hope you learn today and invest with confidence tomorrow. So again, we hope to see you tomorrow no, sa ating next session. So everyone, have a great evening and thank you so much no, for attending. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Ms. Hazel.
Trading on the go? Here's First Metrosec Go for you. Easily open your account today with this app. You can download the First Metrosec Go app through Play Store or App Store for free. If you already have it on your device, simply open the app and click Sign Up Now. Next, you need to create a user ID, read and agree to the terms, and provide these information. Once you're done, click the link on the email verification sent. Now, let's complete your account application. First, input your account information. Then, provide your user information. Next, accomplish the investor profile form. Almost there! Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click Agree. You will then receive your reference number through the app. Don't forget to save this number because you will need it for your initial deposit. Next, upload or take a photo of these requirements. 1 valid ID, 3 signatures on a piece of white paper, proof of address, and proof of bank account. If you're self-employed, there are additional requirements. Now let's fund your account. You can make your initial deposit through bills payment, online fund transfer, over-the-counter deposit, or remittance. The minimum 5,000 pesos or $100 can be used to invest in stocks, funds, and bonds. There is no maintaining balance required. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Simply take a photo of your ID and take a selfie. You're all set. An email confirmation will be sent to you in 2 to 3 business days. Happy trading! With First Metrosec, it's your future first.